Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add RFID cards to Apple Wallet. First, download the app Pass to You Wallet from the App Store. Open the app and tap the plus icon to start adding a new pass. Tap Apply a Pass template and use the search bar to type RFID. Choose a template that fits your needs, then tap Done. Enter your RFID card information as requested, and then tap Add. Open your Apple Wallet, and you'll now see your RFID card added and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to add RFID cards to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.